Everything in this universe is made up of material. Everything in this world made up of material, or we can say matter. Even you or your body is also made up of material. Your body is also made up of material. So in this video we will read about matter, that what is the matter, classification of matter and properties of matter. Hello students, my name is Apa Trivedi and welcome back to the Levis Institute, the journey of education. So today we will start the chapter of class 9th subject science, chapter 1, matter in our surroundings. So everything in this world, everything in this universe is made up of material, okay. Even our body is also made up of material. Our body is made up of Panch Tattva. So Panch Tattva are material, okay. For example, this pen is made up of plastic, okay. So plastic is a material. The third example is a table. A table is made up of wood. So wood is a material, okay. So everything in this universe, everything in this world is made up of material. Everything in this universe is made up of material, which scientists have named matter. So we can use the word matter instead of material. So we can say that everything in this world, everything in this universe is made up of matter. This pen is made up of matter. A table is made up of matter. Our body is made up of matter. So we can use the word matter instead of material because scientists have named matter, okay. Now the important line is that matter have both mass and volume. Matter have both mass and volume. Now what is the mass, what is the volume, okay. So here the definition of mass, that mass is the amount of matter an object contain. Mass is the amount of matter an object contain, and the unit of mass is kg, kilogram. But do you know that mass and weight are two different things? Mass and weight are two different things. The unit of mass is kg, kilogram, but the unit of weight is Newton. And the weight depends on gravity of an object, and the mass remains a constant everywhere, but weight is different on the moon and earth. Now the second point is volume, that volume is how much space an object take up. Volume depends on the object width, length and height. Volume depends on an object width, length and height. So mass and volume are two units to measure an object. Now the next point is that early Indian philosophers. Who are the philosophers? Philosophers offers their views on logic and on other matters. So philosophers offers their views on logic and on other matters, okay. So early Indian philosophers classified matter in the form of 5 basic elements: air, earth, sky, fire and water. So all five are Panch Tattva. Our body is also made up of Panch Tattva. So early Indian philosophers classified matter in the form of 5 basic elements, okay. But modern scientists have evolved. Evolve means they have developed two types of classification of matter based on their physical properties and chemical properties. But in this chapter we shall read about matter based on its only physical properties. In this chapter we shall read about matter's physical properties, not chemical properties. Okay. Now the next point is the physical nature of the matter.